Hi everybody, my name is Valerie Williams and welcome to Ramblings of Real Estate. So I would like to quickly introduce myself. As I said, my name is Valerie Williams. Full disclosure, I am a licensed real estate agent in the state of Texas and I am a real estate investor. So what I would like to do is basically, I absolutely love real estate and I really want to kind of provide everybody everything that I've learned through my experience, through being an agent and through being an investor. I want to be fully transparent of all the ins and outs of everything and hoping along the way that I can help you property owners possibly come up with a new idea, a new income stream, something that can help enhance your business or your portfolio. I would also like to make sure that I reach out and I really want to connect with current property owners, and if you have a property that you just don't want anymore, I would definitely love to talk to you. I am open and wanting to speak with sellers. There has been so many changes this past couple of years. It has definitely been crazy. Keeping up with all the new laws, the regulations, the new tax credits, all sorts of things. Sometimes if you do not do this full time, it can get a little excessive. So I definitely, if you own property, I love to discuss options of what to keep. And if you do not own property, I want to educate you on why you should definitely be in real estate. I completely believe that anyone who is interested in creating wealth or enhancing their and securing their future financially, you should be in real estate, whether passively or actively. So, I am going to touch on creative ways for single family properties and commercial. I am a commercial agent in Texas and I focus on multifamily syndications and other commercial asset classes. But there's a lot of lingo and ins and outs in real estate. And so I'm hoping to be able to provide education and some highlights across the board. I will definitely be starting with some single family. There are lots of portfolios I'm seeing pop up right now. And so you definitely need to know the ins and outs of single family investing and what to look for, creative ways of selling it or creative ways of retaining it. And so, that's how we got our start, was in single family. A little bit about myself. I'm a full-time real estate investor and agent for the past 5 years. My husband and I are in Texas. I am originally from Oregon and he's originally from Arkansas. So we're from lots of little pieces all over the place. I have a real estate family. They invested in Oregon and my brother invests in Indianapolis and Utah. So I'm familiar with multiple markets out in the nation, have my background in real estate, absolutely love it, and I hope to kind of share that with you. I basically spew out information all day long to my husband, and I'm constantly filling his head with all sorts of different things that I've learned and different things about the market. I love to follow every single opportunity and piece of real estate there is out there. So instead of yammering on to my husband, I thought that I would share and see who could benefit from the time that I'm spending learning, educating, and keeping up with the market. I know one tip right now, I will say 2021, there's a lot of people out there saying that, they're gonna hold back. They're gonna wait until the market crashes or, the foreclosures start to hit and deals start to pop up. There's a lot of different analysis and markets that you can look at right now that can either show you maybe that's a good direction. I will definitely say that what's going on in the world today, it's a good time to buy. If you can. It's highly competitive right now, and what appraises one day will not appraise the next day. And in commercial, you purchase a property based on its performance, and it seems like a lot of commercial owners out there feel that their performance is changing every month because the purchase price seems to be going up. But that's about cap rates. We'll talk about that another time. Basically, I will just say in 2021, there are many reasons why you should still buy, even though the market seems a little bit crazy. a couple of notes just kind of for this video. I don't want to take up everyone's time. I will keep going on and hopefully educating everybody along the way. So some of my main things to kind of take away are there is no bad real estate. There's so many people that there's 5 markets, Raleigh, Durham, Phoenix, MSA, Tucson, obviously there's quite a few markets in Texas that are on everyone's hot spots right now. Those are great, really hot markets that are appreciating very, very strongly. So it's definitely a good direction that you can go. Those are very strong markets, and it really just depends on your risk tolerance, your business model, your experience, and what you're wanting out of the deal and your buy. So you've probably heard it in the past, and I'm definitely going to repeat it because it's worth repeating. You make your money in the buy. That has never changed. So if you're looking at a property in Fresno or Detroit, I do not recommend buying in Detroit, but it's all in the buy. We've looked at properties in Texas that, they're like, hey, we'll sell it to you for $20,000. And you're like, oh my gosh, I can buy a house for $20,000. That's amazing. And then as you look around and run the comps, look at the neighborhood, look at the condition of the property, you realize that you'd actually be upside down. It's not worth it for a ton of reasons that I'll get into later. So it's all in the buy. The market is very important. There are some areas that just don't appreciate. Is that a good place to invest or not? It depends on your risk tolerance, your experience, and your business model. What do you want out of it? There's a cash play or an appreciation play. So I say this because I do not want people to stress about focusing on these primary markets, and I don't want to belittle these thousands and thousands of towns throughout the nation that are stabilized locations that no one is looking at. So I will touch on different markets. I will touch on different market analysis. I want to break down each asset class as we move along. This is just kind of my introduction. I will keep saying who I am. Definitely if you're ever interested in passive investing, I have my website below, and definitely reach out. I'd love to chat about what your goals are, your returns are, what asset classes you are interested in. If you currently own a property or a portfolio of property that you just do not know what to do with, or you just don't want any more, I'd love to discuss with you potential opportunities and or aligning you with a buyer or partnering on a property with you. There are some sellers out there that are open to seller financing. That's a great way to get passive income and no longer have the headache of managing your assets. So love to connect with you. I look forward to seeing you guys all again. There are many, many pieces of real estate that I am going to break down. And like I said, I research every single day. I analyze every single day. I just went to a Neil Bawa webinar yesterday. That was absolutely amazing. I feel like there is always a new piece of data or information that just, lights another light bulb in your brain and provides another layer to your opportunities out there. So land is amazing. Real estate is amazing. I hope to be able to provide you guidance along your real estate investing route. And please connect with me below. I have my website and my calendar. I'd love to talk to you, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.